Good morning, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens, and this morning, bright and early, guess what we have at the job site? Wood floor installation. It's starting this week. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love, because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. This foggy Monday morning, March 31st, which was the goal to get the wood floors being worked on this week. Here we are. I'm going to take you around and show you that we are ready for the wood floor installation and sanding and finishing. So this is looking amazing. We still got to remove these guys out of here, but very easy. So we have this room secure, the back door installed, the windows in, everything is ready to go. And the carpet was removed from this room, so now the wood floors are going to go everywhere. And on the first floor is set for the powder room and the laundry room. Good morning, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens, and this morning, this beautiful spring morning, nice and windy, nice and cool. I'm back in Groton, Massachusetts, so I can show you what the floor people are doing. Come on in, let's take a look. This is looking awesome. Look at this. They did the living room now. As usual, they do an amazing job here by the fireplace. Look at that. Nice. They have the kitchen all laid out. They just gotta do the finish up with the installation, but the progress is looking awesome. And we had to do some repair work here. I'm going to show you. So the homeowners had water damage in this corner over here. Apparently, years ago they had a leak in the upstairs bathroom, and it came down to this area. And unfortunately, if you look at the gaps, there's no way to fix that unless you replace it. The only way to take care of it was ripping it up and putting new doors in there. As we are on day 2 of the wood floor installation. Look at this beautiful wood floors in the family room. Repairing floors, installing floors. They did take out the area here. They were working on that this morning, and now back in the afternoon, because this job is on our way home, so it's easy for us to stop in and take a look at what they're doing. But take a look at this. So they're matching the wood floor from this side over to that side. Now that's what you call an art right there, because they're trying to do the best they can with the new wood floor and the old floor. The new oak floor and then the old oak floor. Here we go. I can speak.
Wow.
Thank you, guys.
19 there should come 17. But
Yeah.
you see the piece is small for close for the cabinet.
Exactly, the toe kick.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, wow, thanks.
I think the best thing to do is put wood floors, then cabinets.
Always, yeah.
So
Absolutely.
thank you, because it's a big, like, people.
Yeah. For here, I start the job for the fireplace.
Oh, did you do?
I found full. You have this guy here, full piece here. For here, the same thing. One here, one full.
Yeah, nice.
I start for come for the balance here nice, for come full, come nice.
Nice.
And now I come for this way and I try for fix for the middle for the door I put 1 3/4. Last time I have 1 3/4 here, one little big. I take it off. I need a point for the middle for the door here now.
Oh, okay.
For come good.
Okay,
And
nice.
the front here I try for after I take the floor off. I try for start the job here. I keep now the same line for this one. And
Over
this,
there.
They don't come the same, but come just 1/4. You don't see too much because.
Oh,
come
you're
just
not
1/4.
gonna notice
Yeah.
like a quarter
But for
difference.
this one, I start here now. For come the same line. And I go for this way and I fix everything for the front too.
That's awesome.
Yeah, just
That's
for-
awesome. This is
sometimes the people just come there, come for this way. I don't care about this, but for me, I like on this everything same line, and I fix for the middle here.
yeah.
I have a 3 1/4 there. I just need a pawn. I cut maybe 5, 6 pieces, a little bit more big. You never see.
You never notice.
come-
That's
come
awesome.
nice.
That's awesome. So how long have you been working for Dave?
21 years.
21 years. Oh my God. And so you started like when you were a baby?
Oh, what time? Company have I have just one guy come more old for me. One guy have 25 years for the company.
Is that
I
right?
come 21.
That's awesome.
Lot of
Good
time.
for you. Congratulations.
This
Awesome.
one here change. I
Oh,
change
you
both
did.
here.
I noticed
I
that.
change both there too.
Yeah, I noticed that you
and now
changed.
the vent, I take one vent there. The vent for here come red, this white. But I have this for the truck. I see here, if I put this guy for here,
Yeah.
this
Beautiful.
come too much for here. Maybe the people don't see the vent.
Oh,
My
okay.
plan here, maybe I keep the vent by here.
Yeah, yeah.
And this space here, just need to take the painted black paint this here, just the size here, and put this because I think here,
looks-
after I put the metal, you see the vent a little bit, you know.
Yeah,
For me,
it would
for-
look better the way
for
you
me,
have
one-
it.
For me, one for here, you don't see you don't
Yeah.
see the vent, you lose.
Yes.
Maybe I push this for this way, and later just need tell for somebody paint for you black for this, just for this space here.
Oh,
Okay.
painted black?
Yeah.
Just paint the plywood black, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Just for not lose this too much for this way, because after put the metal, you lose the details for the vent, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes this guy better for come by here, but the problem this come too much for this way.
Yeah. Yeah. It's too close to that heat vent.
I don't know if this metal move easy or no. Maybe no.
No, it's air conditioning, so it's not that easy to
Yeah, that's not
to
easy.
move it.
Yeah, maybe I keep this guy for here just for help a little bit for see the vent, you know.
Okay. Okay.
Because the
I
metal
trust
coming
you.
Here, you'll see that. Maybe
Yeah.
there, for me cut there, maybe I do same thing. I look same thing.
Sure.
Same details.
Yeah.
Good.
No, I appreciate that. That's sounds good to me. Awesome.
Yeah, you paint that black, you don't even see it.
Oh no, you never see. You see now a little bit plywood there, but this way you see.
Yeah,
But
you
after you paint black, everything come. Too much big house here. The people do this. People cannot see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
No, awesome. Awesome.
Okay, thank you.
Well, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all your hard work. Oh, he can't hear me. He's good.
Oh, you're on camera.
It's all good. Wow. I'm impressed.
I can't hear very much with these on. They're pretty good at what they do. I'll be pretty unaware. Someone will be around me. I'll have these on. I'll have no idea.
Yeah. All right, Jim. Ready?
Yep.
Well, thank you, guys.
Yeah, absolutely.
Looks awesome.
I see you, thanks.
And,
All right, we'll see you. Thank you.
all right. Sounds great. You guys have a great night.
Thank you as well.
Yeah, thank you.
vou ver se eu arrumo.
All right, see you guys, thanks.
See you. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Looks awesome.
Vou ver
Ah, look at this day. How beautiful, Jim. Hey, Jim Regan, say hello. And bye.
Hello, bye.
All right. I'm Mary, and this is Jim, and we're signing off for now. Bye.